Hey guys, okay, a real quick video on how to back up your data in HotSetup. It's really important. You've got a lot of valuable information from all the different track days you've done, setups you've done to the car, and you want to make sure that that data is in your hands and you back it up regularly on your own devices or your own cloud services. Please don't rely on us. There's obviously a chance that something could happen and we could lose your data. You know, just make sure that you're taking backups regularly and that you keep that in your own hands. So to see your backups, you go into the settings menu. You'll see that the system automatically does backups on its own. And this is really handy if you accidentally delete a session or make a big mistake, you can just go through and restore for the last, every time the system sees that you've made a change, it makes a backup and it gives you 5 copies there. So hopefully within those 5, you've realized you've made a mistake and you can restore. And then you also have the ability to create a backup which downloads to your computer. And this is what I'm talking about. You save this, do this once a month or once a year, put it in your Dropbox, make it just part of your habit to, when you're finished a big event or a big season, you save that backup on your computer somewhere safe. You can then restore it by clicking on this. You click that downloaded file, and then you install it, you restore it. Obviously, it's going to tell you that you're going to, overwrite all your information. You know that already. And then this backup will be applied and all of that data will be restored. Okay, and then once you've done that, you just refresh the page. So in this case, we'll just close and reopen the app.